Hi to all. In this video, I am explaining about developing plinth beam layout plan. Entering my command det at command prompt. This is the main screen. Here I am selecting beam layout plan. Selecting my Excel file. Changing text height to 250. Selecting the units as per my requirement, that is mm. Beam starting numbering is 1. Selecting level 0, that is plinth beam level. Selecting OK. Reading the data from the Excel file. Here I am picking the point for developing the plinth beam layout plan. It will generate framing plan with beam numbering along with size of the spans. It will generate numbering in order, that is, first it will give numbering in horizontal direction, then vertical direction, then any odd direction beams based on the layout plan. I am switching off the unwanted layers. See this. Numbering given as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10, B11, B12. By default, all column center will be generated to grid point. We need to flush the columns as per architectural plan. In this project, the first member flushing to left side of the beam, second member flushing to right side of the beam, third member flushing to top side of the beam. I am opening the Excel file. Selecting the column sheet. Hiding the columns. Assigning L115 for member number 1 in X direction. Assigning R115 for member number 2 in X direction. Assigning T115 for member number 3 in Z direction. We need to group the secondary beams. Selecting group sheet. Here I am entering level 0 for my reference. Group members are 1002 and 1003. Entering here 1002 space 1003. Like that I am entering 1005 space 1006 in X direction beams. In vertical beams I am entering 1019 space 1018 and 1025 space 1024. Horizontal members to be entered from left to right. Vertical beams to be entered from bottom to top. Now I am re-executing the program as earlier. Now it will generate the layout with reflection of column offsets and grouping of secondary beams. This is the layout. See here. Member number 1 flushed to left side of the beam. Member number 2 flushed to the right side of the beam. Member number 3 flushed to top side of the beam. Here 1002 and 1003 members are grouped. Previously it was displayed B1 number 2 times in one span. Now it was clubbed and displayed at one place. This will group as per Excel file for remaining members also. It will calculate 1/4 span as per group member entry. Like this, it will generate plinth beam layout plan in large scale of projects within a short time.